Kyra Taylor, and I'm a student loan expert at the National Consumer Law Center. I'm here to talk to you about the various types of federal student loans that folks may have borrowed. Over the years, there have been a whole bunch of types of federal student loans that the government has issued to students to pay for their education. It's important to know exactly what types of federal student loans you have, because the type of the loan will determine what types of programs and income-driven repayment plans you might be eligible for. Today, the government only issues direct loans, but there are millions of borrowers who have other, older student loan types. If you have loans that are not direct loans, you might consider consolidating them so that you're eligible for these various programs and income-driven repayment plans. The most common types of federal student loans are direct loans, Perkins loans, and federal family education loans, or FFEL loans. Perkins loans stopped being issued in 2018, and FFEL loans stopped being issued in 2010. There are also Parent Plus loans, Graduate Plus loans, consolidation loans, and Stafford loans. These types of loans can be either direct loans or federal family education loans, or FFEL loans, depending on when the loan was issued. You might see that your direct or FFEL Stafford loan is either subsidized or unsubsidized. If you have a subsidized loan, that means that the federal government was covering the interest that accrued on that loan for limited periods of time. Many borrowers have a combination of federal student loan types. If you have those older Perkins or FFEL loans, you might consider consolidating those loans so that they're eligible for the more generous income-driven repayment plans, like the SAVE plan that President Biden recently announced. Another important question for you to answer if you have a Perkins or a FFEL loan is, who is the holder of my loan? The holder of a loan is the owner of the loan. Most federal student loans are owned by the Department of Education. However, there are a limited number of federal family education or FFEL loans and Perkins loans that are held by third parties. They can be held by state agencies, private lenders, or a school. Even though the loan is not held by the federal government, FFEL and Perkins loans, regardless of who holds them, are still federal student loans. There aren't a huge number of these loans, but if you borrowed before 2018, you should definitely check to see if you have one of these older student loan types. So now you might be asking yourself, how can I tell what types of student loans I have and who the loan holder is? The first step is go to studentaid.gov, log into your account. Then, when you're on your dashboard, scroll down to the loan breakdown. Once you're there, you're going to see loans, and then you can expand the loan details. You can see the loan type, and you can see who the loan servicer is. If the name of the loan servicer starts with a company's name or a school's name, that means that a third party holds that loan. If that's the case, you might consider consolidating that loan into a direct consolidation loan so that it's eligible for the more generous income-driven repayment plans and other relief programs. Again, some of those programs and income-driven repayment plans are only available to direct loans. For more information on these relief programs, income-driven repayment programs, and more, please visit our website at studentloanborrowerassistance.org.